The 737 MAX is Boeing's latest high-tech passenger jet. It is selling fast around the world, so understanding why this brand new plane crashed in Indonesia is a high priority for investigators. Crash investigators who've recovered the flight data recorders say it tells the story of 11 minutes of terror as the pilots of Lion Air Flight 610 fought a tug-of-war battle with the plane's computer to keep the plane in the air. Up and down more than 24 times. The plane's computer pushing the nose down towards the ocean, the pilots fighting to pull the nose up. Finally losing the battle as the plane slammed into the ocean at 450 miles per hour. But the pilots may not have known their brand new 737 MAX had a new automated trim system called MCAS. U.S. airlines say Boeing never flagged the safety system, which forces the nose down to avoid a potential stall, even when the plane is being flown manually. Investigators believe MCAS may have been activated after receiving bad data from its sensors or onboard computers.
That altitude from 6,000 to the ground is very short, so you need to do something immediately.
Veteran 737 pilot Ross Amer showed us the system can be disabled by simply flipping two switches. Waiting too long can be deadly. In a press conference overnight, Indonesian investigators reported that the aircraft in question experienced similar issues the day before the fatal crash. And that crew continued on to their destination after shutting down the anti-stall system. Authorities saying, quote, "We think what happened was that the plane was unfit for flying." In a statement this morning, Boeing says, in part, safety is a core value for everyone at Boeing, and that passengers have our assurance that the 737 MAX is as safe as any airplane that has ever flown the skies. Lion Air is also under scrutiny for allowing the plane to fly, despite those previous pilots reporting that they, too, had problems. Investigators have not yet recovered the other black box, the cockpit voice recorder. Meanwhile, airlines that fly the 737 MAX have spent the last few weeks under direction from the FAA, reminding pilots how to disable MCAS in the event that this happens again. About 45 are flown in the U.S. right now by various airlines.